Thank you, sir, for allowing me to speak on the bill introduced by Sri Vincent Pala, Member of Parliament from Khasi Hills in Meghalaya. Sir, Mr. Pala has mainly sought amendment to the sixth schedule. Sixth schedule was born in when the Constitution of India was enacted, and the main architect of the sixth schedule was late Gopinath Bardoloi, who was a very good friend of the tribals in the northeast. It is a very special feature in the Constitution of India. It is a constitution within the constitution. It is a law within the law, and is designed to protect the rights of the tribals, particularly in the hill regions of the northeast. Sir, Vincent Pala has sought three amendments. One is to raise the number of member of Autonomous Council, District Council, from 30 to 40. Now the number is 30, and it should be equally for all three district councils in Meghalaya, for Khasi Hills, for Garo Hills and Jaintia Hills. There should be no discrimination among the three tribes, major tribes of the state of Meghalaya. Secondly, the district council should have power to lease, license and make provision, rules and regulation for leasing out or mining the mines and minerals in Meghalaya. Because Meghalaya is very rich in mineral resources. It is rich in coal, uranium and other resources. So the tribals of Meghalaya want that they should have right over the land as well as the mines and minerals, the wealth under the earth. And thirdly, he wants that tribal customary laws and practices of the tribals in Meghalaya should be protected. Their right over the land should be protected, and they should have full right to lease, transfer or convey the rights over the land. I fully support Mr. Pala because he has brought about a good amendment, proposal for amendment to the law, so that this provision is made which will protect the interests of the tribals of Meghalaya. Not only the tribals of Meghalaya, sir, in Mizoram there are three tribal areas which are under the sixth schedule. In Tripura there is one tribal area which is under the sixth schedule. And in Assam also. In Assam there are three tribal areas: Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao and BTAD, Bodoland Tribal Council, having 4 districts within it. So these 6 scheduled areas should have similar rights, similar provision. In BTAD also there are, 40 members. 30 are reserved for the tribals and 10 are for the general caste. In Dima Hasao there are 26 elected members, and in Karbi Anglong there are 26 elected members. They should also be raised to 40 each, so that the area should be delimited and new constituency should be created, so that the people and the far-flung areas like Kukis, Nagas and other tribals, Mars, they also get right to get representation in the district councils or autonomous council or regional council under the constitution. Sir, even this concept can be introduced in the hills of Darjeeling. If the Gorkhas are scheduled as scheduled tribe of the country, they can also be provided with a sixth schedule, giving them sufficient rights and titles over the area governed by the presently governed by the Gorkha Autonomous Gorkha Development Authority, GTAD. So, sir, I fully support the proposals made, and I hope this demand for, there is also demand by the Tiwa, Rabai and Missing in Assam. They want to be protected on the onslaught of Bangladeshis from Bangladesh. These tribals, small groups, Tiwa is a very small group, Rabai is a very small group, and Missing, they also want some sort of protection as regards their areas to be brought under 6th schedule so that they can protect themselves against the onslaught of Bangladeshis. So, sir, the history of 6th schedule dates back to 1946-47 when the Constitution was passed by the Constitutional Assembly, and Hoping Eastern Lingdo, Governor Bardoloi, Sir Maham Singh and Nicholas Roy, they were the proponent of this new proposal for protecting the rights of the people of tribal origin of Northeast. Because your honor is aware, Northeast is primarily a hill area. It is far-flung, and many of the districts, many of the areas were secluded, distinctly cultured, distinctly with distinct habitation, distinct food habits, distinct culture. So they need to be specially protected, and the rights over the mines, minerals, land should be vested on them. So I support the bill, I support the proposal by Vincent Pala, and I hope the aspiration of the tribal people of the Northeast will be met by this amendment. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.